Hello and welcome to the Moon and Aries reading. I hope you're all doing well and taking care of yourselves. I have linked the folder of the sun sign readings below if you have not checked those out yet and would like to. We're doing full moon is in Scorpio, so it's all about transformations right now. What's hidden coming to light. So, see what's happening. Stuff's happening. Stuff is definitely happening. Alrighty. Oh, you're going within. You're tired. You're tired. And I don't even feel like wow. I can just feel the tiredness within, and I don't even think this is the end of the reading. I think we need to keep going. I'm going to go do with what I'm called. So we have the Hermit. We've got the Devil. So you're going within because it's time now. We're having our endings to have our new beginnings. And it's like you see things clearly. You're tired. But the light's here. It's transformation time because this is about our passions. And there is the Empress. There's the rebirth. There's the transformation. It goes, I can actually see how cold, how cold the energy goes from then. It's so full of life. Like, it's like so fertile. It's like, you know, you're in this dark, barren place that you're lost in. And then all of a sudden, bang, everything is fertile. You're in this luscious forest full of life. And then, there, you know, there's all these things there that you never thought you could see because you've transformed. And it's like you let go of whatever this is, whatever the devil energies are for you. And remember, they're all going to resonate. I mean, they're all going to be different situations because you're all going to resonate with these messages differently because you're all healing from something different. And it's just like, no more. You're just not going to feel like that anymore. You're not going to hold yourself back anymore. And I really feel like that's why yeah, there it is. There it is. That's why. Because now there is your transformation, your death and transformation. You're going to have your rebirth. And there's your Nine of Cups, your wish fulfillment. And I could see, like, that's what you're almost looking at in your cup. It's like, this has to do with your cup and what's in your cup. Maybe even literally. But it's definitely what's in your cup. It could be emotions. It could be what's in your cup and emotions. It could be many things, and it's a truth telling, telling of a truth, or a truth of letting go. And then there is the Ace of Pentacles. I love it. This is the fertile new beginning. It's just like I feel like it's a dream you didn't even know you could dream. Because right now you're just too even tired to see it. But it's like the cosmos are helping with this transformation, and there's the balance. There's the balance achieved with justice there. All right, let's see. I was gonna see let's see what's hidden, and there it is. That's freaking the way she goes. This is what's hidden. That's sun energy. That's the light. It's literally driving force. The Emperor is the father. He's the tarot's perfect counterpart to the Empress. He represents the side of you that's protective, decisive, and truly stable. He brings clarity of mind, and this in turn leads to actions or decisions. Sometimes this card is a literal and points to a paternal relationship in your life. At other times, it suggests reconnecting with the part of you that stands strong and tall and knows just what to do. With help from the sun, the Emperor can see for miles and miles. And that's what I could see in the card. It's like, you're just going to stand up now. You're not going to feel on your knees anymore from this situation. You're just going to stand up. You're going to restore a balance of the masculine and feminine, because now these are counterparts. We have yin and yang in flow. We have balanced energies, so we're able to restore and heal from this process. There's going to be growth. And now, like, that's literally love, because we have counterparts. That's God and Goddess energy. So we're creating love. It's beautiful. Wow. With that Nine of Cups, and like now that cup is just full of freaking lemons. Ooh. That's a lot. Let's try that one more time. Even just give it a quick shuffle. Ooh. Okay. Okay. It just, there it is. These are the messages. I feel them. I am one with all. I am connected to all life. All of life blesses me with its connection. Even as I am able to value the beauty of a crystal, the radiance of a lily, the delicacy of a fern, so too am I beautiful and to be valued. And I just love that I can feel the crystal activation within that hermit there. That's beautiful. All right, a gateway for blessings. I celebrate to present abundance of my life. I enjoy the many blessings which I do have and those I see now entering my life. I allow my life to count over the many dreams I have which have come true. My true name. I am divine, a divine child, and I delight in my companionship. I love myself. I enjoy my own company. I take delight in my interests, my diversions, my pastimes. I approve of myself. I honor my choices. I seek and I find integrity within my soul. And that's to remember here. That's a direct message here. Okay? You seek to find integrity within your soul for yourself, because you're a divine child and you are loved. And this is about just more of what's happening next, where you're going. Your Nine of Cups, baby. I want to thank you for joining me here. I'll see you again soon. Take care.